collaborations and trust plus NEC equal to success. Enhancing the understanding of NEC and practicing of NEC by our subcontractors. With such enhancement, I surely believe that we can even make more success.
We have speakers from UK sharing the alliance arrangement, and we have guests from Australia. So I think the priority reached how we implement the NEC and understand more the worldwide situations further than the local practice. And we also got speakers from local to understand how we implement the NEC contract. And one more impression to me is this year, the opening speech from Permanent Secretary Ricky. Mr. Lau gave us a conclusion, not conclusion, a summary that last 15 years, we've got a lot of contracts. The number is quite large indeed. I think that is what the Hong Kong government working very hard to promote this contract and get a very good result in Hong Kong and moving on for using this NEC form. So it's very good, congratulations.
Very insightful, very educational. It was really good hearing from different panelists and the presenters from this event. So yeah, it was really good.
It was great to connect, but also to listen to some people that have got real experiences and are taking, I think, the industry in a new direction. Seeing how NEC has been starting to get adopted in Australia and New Zealand, and seeing how the opportunities for growth can happen within the region. It was again sharing those experiences, sharing the vision, and thinking about how can collaboration and NEC be adopted wider across Asia Pac.